Huh? Prevent it. Right. I see someone here. Good morning. Start talking. Mother is telling endana. Huh? Good morning, everyone. You saw someone here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, you saw someone here. Who is that? Hello? Who is this? Hello? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Hello, I'm fine. How about you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm waiting to admit few people. Okay, they are coming in and going. And then let's me begin the session. Okay? 35 participants. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Hello, children. Good morning. Hope you're all fine. Yes? Yes. You know what is my name? Asher? You know what is my name, Asher? You don't know? I'm Mr. Owl. Okay? Akshat? You know who? Natik? Good morning, Natik. Ria? Joseph? Asher? Sri Parvati? Elon, Sriram, come with the video. Madhav Krishna, Joanna, Pratikesh, Dean, Jake Sebi, Alan Keen, Alfie Keen, Seraphin, Abel, Dave, Vinod Kumar, Ryan, yes, Arnav, Hanna, Juvania, Mohammed, yes, Karthik Krishna, Dev Haran, Abel, Abel, you need to wear glasses. You cannot see. Are you from Bread? Abel Soni's mother, your child is squinting the eyes and that he's finding it difficult to see. Just go consult a ophthalmologist, okay? For the eye, okay? I think he's squinting. Abel's mummy, keep him away from the screen. He's squinting, okay? Have a eye checkup. Yes. Is he not feeling well? Abel's mother, is he able to see the screen?
No.
Isn't he's fine?
Yeah, he's fine. He's
Okay.
just sleep up only.
Okay. Okay, Vaishnavi, Juvania, Hanna, Sarang. Oh, give me a smile. You children don't give me a smile, then how I start my class without that smile? You all had your breakfast? Yes, you all had your cup of coffee. Vana, I all, yes. Sit with energy and give a smile. I should feel like having a cup of coffee now, but with your smile. Okay? And that gives me the energy. See, I brought someone to class and you people are not telling me the name of this person. Who is this person? He is Mr. Owl. Okay, he is my friend. Okay, he came to my house and you know what he carried when he came to my house? He brought me, what is this? What is this he brought? He brought me orange. And he said me, hey Nancy ma'am, you want some oranges? Take it. So I said, why don't you come with me to my class? We can give my children of UKG few oranges. He said, oh, that will be nice. So I brought him to class. See how nicely he's sitting, Hannah. Hannah, you want the oranges? Okay, you want to come to my class, I'll give you. Okay. Okay, so I gave you a clue. Today what we are going to learn. So before that, let's join our hands for the prayer. Did we pray today? Yes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Let's pray and then start. Okay, here we go. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, heal the world from this coronavirus and also the patients who are suffering from this disease. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes. Okay. So Nancy ma'am is going to teach you letter O. What am I going to be teaching? Take your hand from your mouth, Dean. All your fingers are inside your mouth. Take it out. No putting fingers. That's why I taught you this song. Don't put your fingers inside the mouth. That's a very bad habit. Don't bite your nails also. I don't think it's that children will bite. Okay. So what do you see, children? You see letter O here. Okay, and you also see the cousin O. What is this picture you see? I brought something to class. Yes, that's called oranges. Okay. And you also see somebody in the picture here. Who is that? Octopus. Okay, he is a water animal. Octopus is a water animal. It has got 8 legs. It has got 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He lives in the ocean. Okay. He lives in the ocean or in sea. Okay. So today Nancy ma'am is going to teach you how to write letter O. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. Today no songs. Ma'am had brought some song, but I couldn't play it. But I will show you how to write letter O. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Be ready with your papers. Okay. Okay, here we go. So today Nancy ma'am is going to show you in the, excuse me, let me increase the size. Okay. Give me a second. I'm just trying to. So here we go. I'm going to show you the letter O. See, how do we write O? Slant line. Okay. We make a C curve. Close it inside out. I'll show you one more time. Slant line. Okay, you make C. Close it inside out. Now children, before writing on this paper, I will show you on a plain sheet how to write O. Then we'll come back to this screen. Okay. Okay, Nancy ma'am will show you in the screen how to write. Okay, let me increase my pen. Okay, here we go. See, slant line, C curve. Okay, don't take your hand, go up, close it. Then go inside out. This is how we make O. See, slant, C curve, then inside out. Slant, C curve, inside out makes it O. Okay, slant. All of you give a try in the paper. Slant, C curve, and O. Okay, slant, C curve, and O. Let's write C. Okay, here the power has gone, but still you can see the board. C curve, go up, close it, inside out. Okay, this is how we write. Oh, you want to see one more time? Nancy ma'am will show you. Make a slant, C curve. Okay, close it, inside out. Oh, 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 oh. How do we say the sound of oh, 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 oh. Okay. Now Nancy ma'am is going to draw something. Please look. What do you see on the screen? I will show you what you're going to see. What is this? Your mummy makes it for you for lunch. What is this? Huh? This is omelette. Omelette. Okay? And you have oval shape. Okay? We have oval shape. Now I'll show you one more time. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Give me a second. Yes. I'm going to make a oval. Okay? Then Nancy ma'am is going to draw one more thing in orange color. What is that? Orange. What is this? Omelette, oval, orange, and you have one more animal in the sea. I told you he is octopus. One, he has got 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. He has got 8 legs. He is Mr. Octopus. Okay. So O for omelette. Everybody repeat after ma'am. O for omelette. So your mics are muted. It's okay, but you keep telling. O for omelette. O for oval. O for orange. O for octopus. And Nancy ma'am is going to draw somebody who came to visit ma'am today morning. Owl. Yes, I'm going to draw Mr. Owl. See, Mr. Owl is sad. You did not draw me. This is Mr. Owl. I'm going to make Mr. Owl happy. Okay. And see Mr. Owl. He is happy now. Yes. Is Mr. Owl happy? Yes. Now Mr. Owl is happy. Okay. So I drew him. So what are the things we see for O? O for owl. O for omelette, O for oval, O for octopus. Okay, now Nancy ma'am will show you how to write in the 4-line book. Are you ready? Now, yes. So in the 4-line book, we will be writing. Okay, so Nancy ma'am is going to write. Parents, don't hold the hand, let them try it on their own. Okay, make them write, ask them to write C, close it, inside out. You need not hold the hands. Don't give them the confidence for writing. Let them write it. Let them try it. Even if it goes wrong, it's fine. Okay, let them try it and learn. That is called observation. Okay, one time you can show him, and after that, let them give it a try. See? Ask them to draw a C curve and then close it inside out. Children, watch here. We are inside the blue lines. Nancy ma'am is not touching the papa line. No touching papa line. No touching mama line. Okay? We are writing only in the blue baby lines. Make a slant. See? C curve. Close it. Inside out. See? C curve. Close it. Inside out. See? Slant. C curve. Inside out. Okay, and that's for today. Now let's do numbers. Okay, I want you to practice this. Okay, now Nancy ma'am is going to show you how to write number 4. I'll show you 1 minute. Who's that talking? Okay, children, today let's write number 4. Okay, see, I will show you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready to learn number 4? I will show you how number 4 looks like. Okay, you want to see number 4? Yes, Nancy ma'am has bought 4. See, this is how the 4 looks. Okay, in the books, in some papers. But we are not going to write this 4. We are not going to learn this 4. We are going to write this 4. Okay, slant line, sleeping line, and standing line. This is your mummy sitting on a chair. And this is you sitting on her lap. You sit on your mummy's lap. You go and sit. Yes. So this is your mummy. And this is you. You sitting on the lap of your mummy. This is called 4. So let's count how many pictures we have here. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is 4. Let's learn the spelling. F-O-U-R, four. Okay, F-O-U-R, four. Okay, so let's count. Now look at Nancy, ma'am. I've got some oranges. I want you to count for man. I don't know how to count. Ashir, be ready. Let's count. Elon, Abhimanyu, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, what's going on? 3. Dean, are you counting here? Dean, stop writing. Look at the screen. 3 and 4. Dean is talking to mommy. Look at the screen. Stop writing, everyone. I want you to count with ma'am now. Let's count again. Here we go. 1. Yes. 2, 3, and 1 more. 4. Okay. Again, let's count. Let's count one more time. I've got 1 orange. Yes. I can see some of you distracted. Eldana. Dev Vinod Kumar, take your hands from here. Dev Haran, take your hand from your forehead. Parents, see to that your children don't put your hands here, and on the table like this. Let me alert. I see them. No, I should feel that. I should have the energy. Some of you are like, Sarang, sit properly. Sarang is not sitting on a table and chair. Karna. Huh? Sarang, look at the screen. You can write later. When Nancy ma'am is teaching, I want everybody to look at ma'am. Okay? We are meeting for a few minutes, right? We hardly meet for 25 minutes, 30 minutes. Yes? So I want you to look at ma'am. Don't play. Okay? You can play later. And I want you to sit with energy. That gives me the spirit to teach. Like this. Keep yawning. I also feel like sleeping. I'll bring a bed and I'll sleep here. I'll do that. Okay, let's read. So count. Alfie Keen and Alan Keen is having fun there. Look here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's count one more time. Let's count one more time. Count the oranges with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many oranges do ma'am have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yes, 4 oranges. Now I want you all to look at the board to write. I'll show you how to write the 4. Here we go. Okay. So Nancy ma'am is going to show you how to write number 4. What color will I take today? Let me take from. Here we go. Slant line. Okay. Excuse me. Let me make it little more bold for you. So we watch. Here we go. Slant. Okay. Straight line. And standing line. This makes it 4. See, I want to show your mummy. This is your mummy sitting on a chair. Okay. With her leg like this. Now you will go and sit on her lap. This is you. Okay. And this is 4. Slant, sleeping, and makes it 4. How do we write 4? Slant, sleeping, and 4. Okay, I want to show you one thing. You know what, children? With 4, you can draw one. With 4, you can draw. Look at the board. Okay, if you learn to draw 4, okay, you are going to. You can draw what? Okay, with 4, you can draw a figure. I'll tell you what. I'm going to make eyes. Okay, and I'm going to make 2 horns. Okay, and I'm going to make her close it. Okay, then I'm going to make a face. And I'm going to make smiley face. Now wait, I'll tell you what is this. This is a cartoon. Okay, what is this? I'm trying to draw a cow. Okay, and this cow has got spots on the body. Okay, if you today I made a cartoon cow. I learned last class. I didn't know how to make a cow. Today I came with learning. Hope this looks like a cow. Okay. Does this look like a cow, children? A cow with eyes like this. Okay. So yes, one more time. Let's give a try. Foe. Okay. And let's make an eye. Okay. And let's make a face. Okay. And let's make a horn. Okay, close it. And make a body for the cow. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs he has got. And let's make some spots on the body. Okay, today you all practice cow, Mr. Cow. Okay, he's the cartoon cow. Okay, and let's make it 4. 4. 4. Okay, are you writing 4? Please write 4. Students, you can have fun with your children. Ask them to draw later. And let them learn. They can try out new figures with the numbers. Okay, you can do that. So children, see on the board, what is this number? 1. What is this number? 2. Give me the answer. What is this number? 3. And what is this number? 4. So UKG's D parents, please don't enter now. This is UKG C is having the session. I'll be winding it in a few minutes. Don't get admitted right now. Please leave the room. Okay. This is number 1. And this is 1 sun. Okay. When there is 2, I want you to draw 2. What we are going to draw? Let's draw 2 omelets. You want to draw omelets? 2 omelets. Make like this. And let's put some yellow color there. It becomes omelets. 1, 2. Tell mama to make 2 omelets for you today afternoon, and you and your papa enjoy. Okay? Yes. Yes. Tell your mommy to make her. She will make it for you. And number 3, let's make 3 cups. 1, 2, and 3. 3 cups. Okay? And let's make 4 candles. Yes, let's make candles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Are you all counting with Nancy ma'am? Nobody is counting with Nancy ma'am. I'm drawing this. Let's count. 1, 1 sun. 2, egg. 1, 2 eggs. 3 means let's count 3 cups. 1, 2, 3 cups. And 4 means 4 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. Okay. Now Nancy ma'am is going to raise this. Okay. And let's, when I say 4. Okay. And is this 4? See here, slant, sleeping, and standing line. Okay. And let's make spelling. F O U R O. Okay. F O U R O. One more time. Are you ready? The first spelling you tell me. F O U R. And 4 means you have to draw 4 objects. So I will make 4 smiley face. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My eyes are gone. Okay. So are you children, did you learn, children, the number 4 and the letter O? Let me recall one more time. Okay, let's recall one more time how to write these 2 and excuse me. Hold on. Okay, let's count with the oranges. Meanwhile, this board is getting ready. Yes, here we go. Let's count the oranges. 1. Count, ma'am. 1. 2. This one. 3. 4. Okay.
B.
So let's count again. Now Nancy ma'am is going to show you how to write letter O. Please watch. Parents, ask your children to watch. I'm going to write one more time. Letter C. We'll write letter C like this. Go up and close it. It becomes O. Now O will have to have a tie on the top. Okay, inside out. See how I write O? I make a C curve. Go close it. Inside out. Okay, letter C. Okay, go up and close it. Inside out. It makes it O. I want you all to practice letter O in your house today. And today we also learned, what is the other number we learned? We learned number 4. Plant, sleeping line, and number 1. So that makes it. Now all my children, did you learn the numbers? Let's recall. Nancy ma'am has brought the flashcards. I want you all to count with ma'am what you see. Okay, stop writing. I want everybody to stop writing and look at Nancy ma'am, and let's count. Okay, the first, what is the first number you see, children? The first number you see, number 1. How many airplane is there? One. Okay. Now, what is the next one you see? You see 2. Okay. How many flowers are there? 1, 2. And let's count how many telephones are there. Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Every time you count, put your finger and count. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And let's count. What's the number here you see? Elon, sit straight. You're yawning all the time. What's the number? 4. And how many books are there? 1. Deepak, where are you going? 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 books. So we finish counting with the pictures. Okay. Now let's count the numbers with cards. Okay. You will tell me what number is this. Tell me what number is this.
What number?
Good. What number is this?
3.
Very good. What number is this?
1.
1. And what number is this? 2. Okay, you finished learning that also. Now tell me, what is the letter you see here?
O.
So you take your textbook fast. Parents, help your children to take the textbook, page number 10. 10. First term textbook, page number 10. Now you have to read with ma'am. Okay, Sharad, you have your textbook? Parents, Joseph Jones? Good. All are having textbooks? That's nice to see. Lakshna, Diya Deepak, nobody is sitting with Diya Deepak. She's playing there. Diya Deepak's mother, give her the textbook. Okay, here we go. Seraphin? Yes. Are you all sitting with the textbooks? Madhav Krishna is playing. Abel Soni? Riyan? Abel, do you have textbook, dear? Ryan Sandeep, where is your textbook? Dave Vinod Kumar, Nitik, Manuel, Joanna, Ritikesh. Ritikesh, don't sit like this, Kanna. Put your hand down. Hands down, Ritikesh. Yes. Okay. No, Alfie Keen, no finger in your mouth. Yes. Look here. Letter O. Okay, here we go. This is letter O, page number 10. Let's read. O for omelette. Giovannia, Emmanuel, look it in your book. O for omelette. Mommy makes omelette. O for owl. Okay. O for orange. Milena, are you reading? O for oval. O for octopus. O for ostrich. So we go. Let's read again. With ma'am. O for omelette. O for owl. O for orange. Well. O for octopus, and O for ostrich. Okay, so we finished our learning, and one more thing, reading one more time, one more page you have to take for 4. Okay, I think it is page number 21. Parents, please turn to page number 21. Alan Kane, Alfie Kane, look straight. One is reading, the other one is looking at what? Okay, look at the book screen. Okay. if you have the textbook, look into your textbooks. Okay, parents help them to point out and read. Children, there is number 4. Okay, and let's touch the pictures and read. One eagle, 2, 3, 4. 4 eagles. Okay, how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. F-O-U-R 4. Vaishnavi, are you reading, Kanna? Devna, Anish? Yes. Are you reading, Devna? Yes. Is it raining there? You're sitting in the rain and learning? Nice greenery. Okay. Okay, let's wind up the session. Okay, children. So I know you all learned. Parents, I want you to do me a favor. Every day, keep reading the textbook. Don't stop it. So how do you read? Ask your children to open the book and start reading right from the first page, page number 4. Okay, you will ask them to read, put their finger and read standing line, slant lines, curves, up, left curves and the right curves, up curves and the down curves. After that, let them go to the letter C. Children, read this. What is letter C? C for cap, K, cat, car, cow. Cat, K, cat, cow, car. Letter C says K. K for cat, K for cake, K for cat, K for cow, and K for car. Then you will go to the next picture. 1, O-N-E 1. So how do you read? 1 star, 1 ball. Then you will turn the page, read the self-introduction. You will say self-introduction. My name is, tell your name, I am 5 years old. I am studying in UKGA. I am studying in Dr. Raju Davis International School, Mala. My father's name is, tell your father's name. My mother's name is, tell your mummy's name. And my hobby is coloring or drawing, whatever. Then read the next page. Go to the next page. We learned O today. So put the right here and start reading letter O. O for omelette, owl, orange, oval, octopus, and ostrich. Letter O says O. Okay, and then 2. 1, 2. 2 pencil. 1, 2. 2 mangoes. T-W-O. 2. So we keep reading. Every day I want you to read with this book. Every day you have to do it because they will know. And tell them not to squeeze the books. Children, look at Nancy ma'am, Madhav Krishna, everybody. Everybody look at Nancy ma'am. Whenever you're holding the book, I want you to hold your book very neatly. Cover your book. Nancy ma'am did not cover because I want to show which book I'm using. That's why I did not cover. You will cover your books and never hold your books like this and all that. That is very bad. Book is your friend. You should love the book. If you love the book will become your friend. So hold it very carefully. Yes, I can see you. Many of you covered the book. Very good. So turn the pages very neatly, softly. Okay? Okay, and tell your mummy is feeding food. Tell her and close the book and keep it away. Okay? When you're eating, don't use the books because all the sambar and idlis will be in the book. Okay, and your book will not like it. Even I won't like it. Okay, so you can use your books neatly. Don't tear the books. No coloring in the book. No coloring. No coloring. Okay, no coloring in the textbooks. No scribbling. Kutti varikere the book in the textbooks. No scribbling. No coloring. Okay, each textbook should be very neat. Notebook should be very neat. No tearing pages. I can see some of you tearing the pages. Page okay, I will be coming to your house. I'll come to your house. Okay, I'll come there, right there. Okay, and I'll check your books. If you don't keep it neatly, I'm not your friend. I'm cutty with you. Okay, so Mr. Owl is waiting here to say bye to you. See you all in the next session. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you. Stand up and say thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Stand up, stand up.